So good morning, students. In this video, we'll see about the testing of the Profibus. So that is BT200 hardware test device for Profibus TP can be used as installation, commissioning, and service tool. So due to its versatility, it is useful for both installer of Profibus networks as well as experienced commissioning engineer and service engineer. So the area of application, so it is used can be used to test the Profibus cable. So installation errors are found quickly using Profibus. It is used to test the RF 485 drivers of the Profibus nodes. So individual bus segments can be checked. So these are other areas of application. Logging function, all the test results can be stored on BT200 using a point-to-point cable. The data can be transferred to a PC. The test results can be edited on the PC and printed out as a log. So the design and properties, compact plastic casing, degree of protection is IP30, dimensions 210 cross 100 cross 50. So LCD display with the 2 cross 16 characters, it's 8 key membrane, keyboard, attachment to the Profibus network via 9-pin B-stub female connector. So the functions, following errors can be detected: short circuit between data lines, line interruption, shield break, reversed polarity, reflections that could cause errors. The number of activated terminating resistors is checked. Length of Profibus cable can also be measured. So the test device is connected to one slave. So this is supplied with the power. So the test device then makes the following measurements: whether RS485 driver is okay or defective, power supply to the terminating resistor is okay or not okay, request to send is present or not present. Also it checks the list of accessible slaves and addressing of individual slaves. So how it works, the previously described test and measurements, they are based on essentially on various voltages, voltage reflection and resistance measurements. So to check the cable, the test device is connected to one end of the cable and test connector to the another. So test on the nodes, when testing on the node itself, a point-to-point link is established between the test device and the node. To complete the test, the accessibility of the attached slaves is checked on the wire-up bus. So displaying the test results, it can able to display it's connected to the PC. So documented, can be well documented, and battery of this device has an accumulated battery. This ensures that the user can test the entire system without requiring any power supply. So testing the fiber optic cable. So that is actual predicted loss maybe that is very high. This actual loss may be very high than the calculated values when using the fiber optic cable in the Profibus communication. So two ways are there to testing this. So one is optical power source meter and another one is optical time domain reflectometer. Optical power source meter. So here in this light and from a defined light source is sent to the link and the resulting losses are measured with an optical power meter. So here in this we'll be connecting the light source and the optical power meter. A reference that is optical link is connected. So for that, what is the loss, it will be measured. Now what is the actual fiber optic cable that is inserted between the reference. Now what is the loss, it is measured. From that it is calculated. So there is an optical power budget is available between optical transmitter and receiver. So then the measured total loss on the fiber optic link must be less than this optical power budget. So in this optical time domain reflectometer, so if the total activation of the optical fiber optic link is too high, then you can go for this OTDR. So here how this OTDR functions, it is something similar to the radar unit. OTDR sends the laser light pulses on the fiber optic cable to be tested. These light pulses are reflected more or less strongly by all problem points along the cable. A meter evaluates the intensity and propagation time of the reflected pulses. By using this, you can able to find out this losses. So this is what testing this Profibus. Thank you for watching this.